guys, welcome back. This is the Canard install video. Midway through I kind of changed up how I was going to install it, so ended up using screws. Originally I was going to just use double-sided tape, but then with the way that the real Canards, real carbon fiber Canards are made, they don't like just clip into that air flick like how the blank one does, or like if you got like the gloss black ones. Some of them actually have the clips to clip into there, so you don't have to do any screwing or gluing. But with the real ones, they don't have that, and it's just a flat, smooth back. So, and it's not deep enough to fit into that nook. So unless you double up the double-sided tape or screw it in, it won't really sit there securely. And because of like car washes and, you know, just daily driving, I didn't want to double up 2 pieces of double-sided tape just to, you know, for it to fall off. And the carbon fiber Canards were $200, so losing that on the highway would not be a fun thing, and I don't want that to happen. So I ended up just screwing it. So what you'll need is the plastic remover tool that I have, that blue piece, and then you'll need like a knife to like get that plastic air flick out if you have the ones that just clip in. If you have the carbon fiber ones, then you kind of got to decide if you want to stick it with double-sided tape or screw it. And I just went with screwing it, so I'll show you guys what it looks like in a second here. But just know that in the video I kind of midway just changed up how I was going to do it, and I ended up screwing it. So don't let that mislead you in what you do and what you install yours with, because again, if you buy the ones with the clips, then you can just easily clip it in. Typically those are the ones that I saw online on eBay, were the gloss black ones. I didn't see any carbon fiber ones that just clipped in. They either use double-sided tape or, you know, you could just screw it in. So again, it just depends on what you're going to use and how you're going to install those Canards. Alright, so here, if you have the one that clips into the car, then you'd remove this mesh vent by taking the plastic remover tool and taking a knife, because it's thin enough to get behind that, and then just it'll pop right out. And then you can clip that one in. But if you have a carbon fiber one, it'll most likely not come with clips. And it won't be deep enough to fit in there if you remove that vent. So the best way to secure it, if you're going to screw it, is just leave the vent in there and then screw it right through, so it just sandwiches right in, because that piece already clips into the car. And then if you do decide to do tape, then you'd kind of have to double it up, and then it would sit inside there and fill that void. And then it wouldn't be really a good idea to just double side to the mesh, because then it's not a good enough surface to stick to. And yeah, that is not coming off. So it is really a pretty simple process, and if you do it that way, and I think that will be the best. I'm gonna go ahead and probably paint that or Sharpie that black so that it's not as noticeable that this just screwed in. But yeah, I think that is the best option. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and install the right side, and again I'm just going to use these self-tapping screws and just put it right over the air flick that's in there right now, and just screw it right into that. So that is the last carbon fiber Canard installed. So just to give you an idea of what that looks like from the side and all the way from the back. So that's what it looks like once it's all installed and completed. It's nice and flush, it fits pretty good. And again, I think the screwing method is the best option, so it doesn't come off easily while driving or washing the car. But yeah, it just looks that much better. Again, adding another carbon fiber element to the rear, it just goes well with the spoiler and then the overall look of the back. So yeah, comment, like below, hit that subscribe button. More content will be coming. I will continue to drop more content for you guys, so make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and like.